Why confidence is the key to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Journey. Today, we are diving into a powerful topic, confidence. Confidence is often the missing piece in achieving success. Many talented and intelligent people fail not because they lack ability, but because they lack confidence. Let's explore why confidence is the key to success and how you can build it in your daily life. Meet David, the struggle with self-doubt. David was a bright young man with big dreams. He wanted to start his own business, travel the world, and inspire others. However, there was one thing holding him back: lack of confidence. Whenever he had an opportunity, he doubted himself. What if I fail? What if people laugh at me? These thoughts kept him from taking action. One day, he met a mentor who changed his perspective. His mentor told him, "Confidence isn't something you are born with. It's something you build. And once you build it, success will follow." David decided to work on his confidence, and his journey transformed his life. The power of self-belief. David realized that successful people are not necessarily the smartest or the most talented. They are the ones who believe in themselves. Self-belief gives you the courage to take risks, speak up, and pursue your goals without fear. To strengthen his self-belief, David started with small changes. Positive self-talk. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," he told himself, "I am capable, and I will figure it out." Surrounding himself with positivity, he avoided negative influences and spent time with people who encouraged him. Celebrating small wins. Every time he accomplished something, no matter how small, he acknowledged his progress. With these small steps, David began to see a difference. He spoke with more certainty, took on new challenges, and felt more in control of his life. Overcoming the fear of failure. One of the biggest barriers to confidence is the fear of failure. Many people hesitate to try new things because they are afraid of making mistakes. But David learned that failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. He developed a new mindset. Failure is a lesson, not an endpoint. Each mistake teaches you something valuable. Successful people fail more times than unsuccessful people try. Fear disappears when you take action. The more he acted, the less he feared failure. With this new perspective, he started his business. The first few months were tough, and he faced many challenges, but his confidence kept him going. Eventually, his business grew, and he achieved his dream. How to build unshakable confidence. David's story teaches us that confidence is a skill anyone can develop. Here are some practical steps you can take. 1. Develop a growth mindset. Understand that abilities are developed, not fixed. The more you practice, the better you get. 2. Improve your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Your body posture affects how you feel. 3. Step outside your comfort zone. Do things that challenge you. The more you push your limits, the stronger your confidence becomes. 4. Prepare and practice. Whether it's a speech, interview, or new skill, preparation increases confidence. 5. Help others. Teaching or helping someone else boosts your self-esteem and reinforces what you know. 6. Take action every day. Confidence is built through action, not just thinking. Start small, but keep moving forward. Lessons from David's journey. David's story teaches us that confidence is built, not given. Fear of failure should not stop you from trying. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Success follows those who believe in themselves. If you feel stuck in self-doubt, remember that confidence grows with practice. Start today, take small steps, and soon you'll see a big difference in your life. Confidence is not just important, it is essential for success. If you want to achieve your dreams, start by believing in yourself. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.